The long road to recovery. After years of devastation, Iraq is now faced with the monumental task of rebuilding its nation. The scars of war run deep, but the resilience and determination of the Iraqi people shine through as they work tirelessly to rebuild their communities. Education and healthcare are fundamental pillars of a thriving society, and efforts are underway to restore these essential services. Economic recovery is also a priority, with Iraqis reclaiming their entrepreneurial spirit and working towards a brighter future. Iraq's rich cultural heritage is being celebrated and preserved, bringing people together and fostering a sense of unity. The international community plays a crucial role in supporting Iraq's rebuilding efforts, providing aid and expertise to help the nation regain its footing. The children of Iraq represent the hope and potential for a better future. Investing in their education and well-being is essential for lasting recovery. The long road to recovery is not without its challenges, but Iraq's resilience and determination are guiding the way towards a brighter future. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on global issues. Thanks for watching.